G'day mate, how you feeling? Well, everything's wonderful. Now, I've always wanted to do this. I want to work out what angle is the correct angle to fit and match a file. So, I'm going to start off on an angle of probably, what's it got here? 70 degrees, I think it is. We'll start 70, 65, 60, and so on, go down. Now, it's a brand new longer chain, so I'll do top plate angle at 10 degrees to just match it up with that's what it says in the back of the box. So I'm going to do what the box says, but what angle actually does the file. So I'll do, it's a brand new chain, so I'll leave one tooth alone and do all the left hand teeth on the angle as I need it. So then when I've done that, I think it probably would be probably 5 or 6 teeth. When I've done that, I'll put some black spray paint on the tooth, let it dry, and do one light swipe on each tooth and see where the file actually contacts the tooth with the camera, so I can actually see what's going on and see which angle matches what, and I'll mark them down so I know which one's what. But I'm just curious to know what angle suits the file. So it'll be interesting, so stick around and watch that. But yeah, just trying to make it sharp as I can. It's brand new, really sharp, but I know hand filing is sharper, so I want to be able to know how to make it sharp on the electric sharpener. But I just know, I worked in a alumni shop for a while. And we're told to do 60 degrees for hardwood and 55 for softwood. But is that for it to last a long time or less time? But I wanted to match the file, so curious to know what it is first. I'll get this done. I'll mark these, I know I am trying to paint them so it's 3 controls. Or I'm going left hand tooth, so I can test it with filing because I'm doing 10 degrees on the top plate. So 3, so I know where I am, so I can remember. Now the first one that I ground up is 45 degrees. You see a bit of a hook there. 45. That one there's 50. Okay, pretty clear. That one's 55. That one there is for hardwood, that'd be 60 degrees. And that one there is 65 degrees, so I don't think it went now. I didn't get any further than that, so the angle 2 up and down. So I'll do that, so at 65 degrees. I'll go paint, I'll get some brake cleaner on all these teeth, clean them all up and put the paint over them and see if she goes. I really hope I get this on film. So these are my practice ones, so just one little gentle swipe. Can't really see it much, but it's not doing the whole gullet. So the next one, I've got 3 of them to practice on. Getting closer. So one little swipe. I don't know, you see it's getting the base, but not the whole tooth. So third one will do it harder. These are brand new teeth, so 2, no, 3, no, 4, and now I'm starting to see the full gullet done. So 4 or 5 brushes on that. So this one here is a 45 degree angle. So a gentle one. Now what can we see? No, we're hitting the very bottom of the gullet. Not hitting the top at all. What's going on with that? Still a swap, I think. On 30 degrees too, angle wise. Same as what the saw wants. Oh, no, 25 degrees. Sorry. No. We'll go to 50 degrees. think I'm better on TV. Real life. Can't really tell. I can't tell, guys. That's fully zoomed in. It's sharp, bloody sharp as. That's 50 degrees. Do 55. Now we're missing a bit just there. So we go to 60. Alright. Missing some of the colour. So I think 50 to 55 degrees is probably best. $50, it's sharp as. It's full chisel though. I think it's missing part of that colour there. Bit colour. Bit of black, I think. Not quite sure, but I think 50 degrees is the way to go, I think. Very interesting. So I have to do a semi-chisel, sharp as. But yeah, 45 don't work. 45 don't work at all, I think. I should have gone deeper, I think. No, so it's missing the guts of it all, yeah. Alright. There you go, guys. Yeah. 45, 50. That was 55. So again, that's stand one. Stevie on the camera. That one's standard. That's standard. Brand new one. Brand new one. So back to 45. There's 45. Try and get you around the corner a bit more. Play boxes and crap. So that's 45. No. That's 50. You got a sharp point in the end of it. That's 55. I think 55 maybe you're the right way. And 60. Not sharp, I know that. No one there, 65. No way the world that'll work. I didn't do that one before. I missed that. Yeah, that's 164. No. Alright, yeah, 50 to 55. Looks like it. Alright guys, over and out. Thanks for watching. And that was interesting to me. So that means, for me, brand new, 45, 50. Either that or 55, those two there. $50 or 55. They're both sharp. I don't know. I have to do some more testing. Alright guys, over and out. Thank you for watching.